Okay, my friends, fast food time. This time it's all about the Royale TS, and I've got 3 different versions. I got the Grand Royale, the Royale TS cheese, and the Royale TS. And very important, I got American fries. So this is important because I ask all my American viewers to verify whether these really are the fries in America or not. Let me know, my friends. And yeah, I'm shooting the thumbnail now if you ask yourself what's happening. And after we have done this, we start the review. And here we go. Maybe, I don't know, let's open up all the boxes first. So this is like the big one. This is the cheese one, and this is a normal one, which I like very much, the normal one. Okay, so let's cut everything. Let's do it. Here we go. So, very big onions on here. I like red onions. This looks good. Smells good. I always good stuff. Okay. This looks gorgeous. A lot of salad. Beef. Now comes cheese. I always cut stuff. So cheese at the bottom, cheese at the top, and now normal. And normal is basically missing one cheese and got a different sauce. So it got the original mayonnaise sauce, whilst the others have tomato sauce and this barbecue sauce. And now let's also check out the American fries. So it looks like this, very big. And you get sour cream dip. Okay. Now, my friends, it's time to start eating. So here we go. It's a fancy one first. Let's do it. Smoky sauce. It's tasty. This loads of salad gives this very interesting texture. As you can see, there's also crispy bacon in there. Just a little bit like fried onions. Are there fried onions on there? Yeah. Here you can see tons of fried onions. It's a good burger. Yeah. Now let's drink something. Cheers. Now cheese. Let's do it. Is it smaller than the original? I destroyed the original. I think it's smaller. Is it smaller? Let's have it. Because a hamburger. I need to flush. Now the original one. Let's do it. Now, I would say that only the original is original. and the others are sort of just using the brand name. Aber Katze. And this stuff is very meshy. I don't know. I think it's potato mash. I think it's fried potato mash or something. So that's the sour cream dip. Okay. Yeah, I'm feeling very full already. I actually can't eat that much, but it's for sure. It's for sure. I will eat it later when it's cold or. Tastes good. Okay. Yeah, what do you think about this fries? Is it really American fries? Let me know. Or do you have this as well? And thanks for watching. Gut, jetzt gibt es von McDonald's den Grand Royal Western Barbecue. Und dann haben wir noch Hamburger Royal TS und den Cheese, Hamburger Royal Cheese. Okay, der Hamburger Royal Cheese schmeckt wie ein großer, oder das ist ein großer Hamburger, hat Tomatensauce drauf. Ja. Und der normale TS hat halt diese Mayonnaisensauce drauf, die halt was halt den TS ausmacht, in meiner Meinung nach. Wobei man sagen muss, das heißt ja Royal, was den Royal ausmacht. Und weil man wissen müsste, für was TS steht. Und der Barbecue-Burger, der hat eine ganze Horde an Salat. Also dann ist auch irgendwie, man merkt schon, dass man Salat isst, wenn man den dann isst, und hat halt gebratenen Schinken, rote Zwiebeln, Röstzwiebeln und eine Barbecue-Soße. Ja. Man hat so das Gefühl, dass man das schon 10-mal unter einem anderen Namen gegessen hat, so, aber ja, kann man essen. Wobei diese rauchige Barbecue-Soße ist vielleicht nicht jedermanns Sache, aber das müsste man ja auch wissen, wenn man einmal Barbecue gegessen hat. Okay, das wäre soweit. Mein Milchshake hatte ich leider schon halb ausgetrunken auf dem Weg zurück. Ja. Gut, habe noch irgendeinen von denen gegessen. Der hier hat ja Hall of Fame. Und es ist, ach so. Dann gibt es noch diese American Fries. Und das scheint mir einfach nur frittierter Kartoffelbrei zu sein. Die sind etwas komisch. Jetzt ist hier die Gurke abgestürzt in das Sour Cream. Ja. Das ist nicht so die Welt, muss ich sagen. Okay. Jetzt bin ich voll. Ich kann das gar nicht alles essen hier. Muss ich dann später aufessen, wenn es kalt ist. Danke fürs Zusehen. Bis zur nächsten Folge.